custom Peterbilt 389. The custom Peterbilt 389 is a powerful and stylish heavy-duty truck built for long hauls and tough jobs. Known for its classic design and rugged performance, this truck combines strength, comfort, and reliability for drivers who spend long hours on the road. Its powerful engine delivers smooth and steady performance, giving plenty of torque and control to handle heavy loads and challenging terrain with ease. The cabin is designed for comfort and convenience, offering spacious seating, intuitive controls, and room for personal gear, making long journeys more enjoyable and less tiring. Safety is a top priority, with a sturdy frame, reliable braking systems, and stability features that keep the driver secure on highways and rough roads. The custom Peterbilt 389 is perfect for truckers who want a combination of traditional style and modern performance, with a design that stands out while still being practical and durable. Whether hauling freight across long distances or navigating busy highways, this truck handles every challenge effortlessly. Combining power, comfort, and classic appeal, the custom Peterbilt 389 turns every trip into a smooth, safe, and impressive experience. More than just a truck, it's a dependable companion for professional drivers who demand performance, style, and reliability on the road. (2024) 4Winds 28Z. The 2024 4Winds 28Z is a comfortable and practical Class C motorhome made for families, couples, or anyone who loves traveling on the road. It's designed to make every trip easy and enjoyable, giving you all the comforts of home while you explore new places. Inside, the 28Z feels cozy and well organized. There's a comfortable sleeping area, a fully equipped kitchen to cook your meals, and a dining area that can also turn into extra sleeping space. Clever storage keeps all your clothes, gear, and essentials neatly organized, so you don't feel cramped. Large windows let in plenty of natural light, making the interior bright, inviting, and perfect for relaxing after a day of adventure. This motorhome is also easy to drive. Built on a reliable truck chassis, it handles smoothly on highways, around bends, and even in campgrounds. Modern comforts like air conditioning, entertainment systems, and user-friendly controls make every trip comfortable and stress-free. In short, the 2024 4Winds 28Z is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, cozy, and fun motorhome. It's ready for weekend getaways, long road trips, or full-time travel. With this motorhome, every journey becomes a memorable adventure, giving you the freedom to explore while enjoying the convenience and comfort of home wherever you go. Airstream Globetrotter. The Airstream Globetrotter is a stylish and classic travel trailer, made for people who love exploring the open road in comfort. Its shiny aluminum exterior gives it a timeless look, while inside it's designed to be cozy, practical, and easy to live in. Whether it's a weekend trip or a long adventure, the Globetrotter feels like a home away from home. Inside, the layout makes smart use of every inch. There's a comfortable sleeping area, a kitchen with quality appliances, and a dining or lounge space that can also turn into extra sleeping spots. Clever storage keeps all your gear organized, so the trailer stays tidy even on longer trips. Large windows let in plenty of natural light and offer beautiful views of the outdoors, making the interior bright and inviting. The Airstream Globetrotter combines classic design with modern comfort. It's easy to tow, rides smoothly, and is built to last for years of travel. You can park at campgrounds, scenic overlooks, or anywhere the road takes you, and still enjoy all the comforts of home. In short, the Globetrotter is perfect for travelers who want a reliable, elegant, and comfortable trailer. It turns every journey into an enjoyable experience, making every trip feel exciting, relaxing, and full of adventure. Alcoven 1200. The Alcoven 1200 is a cozy and practical travel trailer designed for families and friends who love road trips and camping adventures. Its special alcove bed above the front of the trailer adds extra sleeping space without taking away from the living area, so everyone can sleep comfortably while still having room to relax, cook, and enjoy time together. Inside, the Alcoven 1200 feels warm and inviting. It has a simple kitchen where you can prepare meals, a comfy dining and sitting area, and clever storage for clothes, gear, and camping essentials. The sleeping areas are designed so everyone has their own cozy spot, making nights more restful. Large windows bring in natural light, creating a bright and cheerful interior that feels like home even while on the road. The layout is practical and easy to use, making it simple to set up at campgrounds or scenic spots. It's also easy to tow, so you can spend more time exploring and less time worrying about setup. Whether it's a short weekend trip or a longer adventure, the Alcoven 1200 gives you everything you need for a comfortable and fun journey. It's perfect for people who want a simple, enjoyable travel experience with a cozy place to cook, sleep, and relax while exploring the outdoors. Boreas Campers EOS 12. The Boreas Campers EOS 12 is a tough and adventure-ready expedition camper built for people who love exploring remote places. Its strong frame and durable design let you travel over rough trails, mountains, deserts, and forests with confidence. This camper is made to handle off-road trips while keeping you safe and comfortable. Inside, the EOS 12 is cozy and practical. It has a comfortable sleeping area, a smart kitchen for cooking meals, and plenty of storage for all your gear. The open and organized layout makes it easy to move around, relax, and enjoy your time after a long day of adventure. Large windows bring in natural light, giving the camper a bright and welcoming feel. One of the best things about the EOS 12 is how it combines toughness with comfort. The strong suspension and build make rough terrain easy to handle, while the interior feels like a little home on wheels. Some models can even be fitted with solar panels, so you can camp far from power sources and still have electricity for lights and appliances. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long overland journey, the Boreas Campers EOS 12 makes every trip more fun and relaxing. It's perfect for anyone who wants freedom, adventure, and a reliable, comfortable camper to explore the outdoors. (2024) Class C Greyhawk XL. The 2024 Class C Greyhawk XL is a reliable and comfortable motorhome designed for families, friends, or anyone who loves hitting the road. It's built on a strong chassis with a powerful engine, so driving on highways, hills, or winding roads is easy and stress-free. This makes it perfect for weekend getaways, long trips, or even full-time travel. Inside, the Greyhawk XL feels like a cozy home. It has a spacious living area, a full kitchen to cook meals, and comfortable sleeping spaces for everyone. There's usually a bed over the cab, a bedroom in the back, and extra sleeping options for guests, making it ideal for families or groups. Large windows bring in plenty of natural light, giving the interior a bright and welcoming feel. The motorhome is designed to make life on the road simple and convenient. There's plenty of storage for clothes, gear, and camping supplies, and smart features like a dining area that doubles as a lounge. Modern comforts like air conditioning, entertainment systems, and easy-to-use controls make every trip relaxing and enjoyable. In short, the 2024 Class C Greyhawk XL is a practical, roomy, and fun motorhome. It gives you the freedom to travel wherever you want while enjoying comfort, convenience, and a true home on wheels experience. Every journey becomes a memorable adventure with this motorhome.